बराह रास्त आपको चलेंगे। चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान जस्टिस उमर बंदियाल तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
In acknowledgement of the time that they spared for this event and for joining the proceedings, in which I think most humbly that we have learned a lot and we have also probably accomplished a lot. Yesterday, I welcomed all of you to this conference with the hope that it will, inshallah, provide the justice sector with a framework enhancing the common person's accessibility to justice. And Alhamdulillah, I am delighted to acknowledge that we conclude today on a good note. The fruitful discourse of the last 2 days have not only identified the key challenges facing the justice sector, but have also highlighted innovative solutions to address these issues going forward. The 5 themes focused on in the conference correspond with areas that the court is actively working on. Their recommendations are gathered in the order from most to less simple. But before I start talking about those points, I must acknowledge the participation of international experts in this conference, whose contribution has been invaluable, and who have also, during the proceedings of this conference, conveyed the greetings to myself as the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, on behalf of the Chief Justice of the Singapore Supreme Court and the Chief Justice of the Zambia Supreme Court. I reciprocate those greetings with Assalamu Alaikum, with a message of peace and salamti. And I also acknowledge the participation of the 8 international experts, 6 of whom joined us through the Zoom, and 2 of them attended the proceedings in person. Delighted to have their company and their views, and we will definitely benefit from them. And my greetings once again to the Honorable Chief Justices of Singapore and Zambia. Now, the 5 themes that we focused on came up with several recommendations. I would not call them recommendations, came up with several ideas, and I am only going to summarize those ideas before you. Correct me if I'm wrong, because part of these proceedings I've been watching on the computer. First of all, ADR will play a crucial role in ensuring speedy and economic dispensation of justice to the people. I think we all resolved that this is a very important means of achieving the object for which we have assembled today. However, ADR is not institutionalized, so there is need for laws that limit court intervention, especially in the domestic context, and for a proactive approach to develop ADR facilities. Courts and advocates should encourage litigants to make use of ADR instead of opting for litigation, which may take anywhere between 5 to 15 years for a final determination. 3. Superior Court should adopt a pro-enforcement approach in relation to foreign arbitral awards to boost foreign investment in the country. The recent decision of this court in Orient Power Company versus Sui Northern Gas Pipelines Limited in the year 2021 is a positive step in the right direction. In the realm of digitalization, the court now extensively decides matters via video link. This is our humble step towards technology, but we have discovered in the session today that the world has moved far ahead, and we need to catch up. So we will be trying our best to avail of the benefits of the developments made in other jurisdictions, particularly as we understand in Singapore with respect to technology and IT, information technology. We have decided 3,391 matters in the Supreme Court in the last 7 months through video link. This has helped to reduce the costs incurred by the litigants, particularly those having cases from Balochistan, because of the traveling cost of advocates or their own personal traveling, and moreover, the availability of video link, ladies and gentlemen, has facilitated the progress of the proceedings because people are able to attend the proceedings with greater ease from Quetta rather than having to travel to Islamabad. So they've led to the speedier disposal of cases. I may mention that something that was not discussed in the conference, it's a disclosure. I just thought I'll share it with you. The National Judicial Policy Making Committee has approved the setting up of a National Judicial Automation Unit, which will help develop a national online dashboard for creating integrated information system for the judiciary for all courts in the country. That way, we will have information of what is going on in each and every court in the country, and the centralized information will be available to all the decision makers for analysis and for solutions. The first phase of this project will be up and running by 31st of December this year, inshallah, and will centralize the data record of cases pending in all courts on one website. The second phase will focus on data sharing with other stakeholders in the justice sector. In improving the quality of justice dispensed by the courts, it was realized during our proceedings in the conference
इस्लामाबाद में 2 रोज़ा इंटरनेशनल जुडिशल कॉन्फ्रेंस का ख़ितामी सेशन हुआ है और चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान जस्टिस उमर अता बंदियाल तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे।